My name's Jaron. I'm a whitewater kayaker, and this is my journey to going down Class 5 rapids.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Yet another video on the upper yacht. But today I'm going to be taking out a slice boat. We'll get a slice lap in there. Like I said, kayaking is progression. You want to keep making things more difficult. And today we're going to do that in the form of the boat. Less volume, I'm going to get work more. We're also going to hook up with the homie Tyler. Should be a fun day. But first, we got to get our boat. Here it is, the Ozone just waiting for us. Little drizzle. Alright, sweet, we just picked up our boat. It's starting to rain a little bit, so excited to see what the water levels are at. Picked up the Ozone. Ready to jam. We just got to meet up with Tyler and we'll be ready. We got a few minutes till we leave, so I thought I'd fire up the drone.
Sucking you back in and you were on the rock?
Bro, I got worked. That's the definition of getting worked.
Brave Falls is in about 5 weeks. It's gonna be August 12th, so it's coming up. It's fun to jam with Tyler. We got fireworks tonight, so I'll end on that. See you guys later.
Oh, God.